So initially it was the ability to reduce my cost as well as my carbon footprint. So, obviously being a typical Californian, I'm a little worried about the environment. And that is something I think everybody should be a little concerned with. But moreover, there's definitely an economic benefit to it. So looking at different companies that had come about, your guys' company offered a financing program that really made sense for my family. They were able to look at my costs that I had spent in the past as far as my history of usage and figure out what went best with both what I wanted on my home as well as what benefited my family and the amount of usage. Although we weren't able to put enough panels to get 100% because that's not what I wanted, because I don't want to put them on the front, on the back of the house, but you guys were able to accommodate that. I think the average cost was somewhere around $180 a month when we averaged it out, the summer months and the winter months. Obviously in the wintertime the air conditioning usage is much higher, and my wife's teacher, so she's home during the day in the summertime. And so we have always somebody here in the daytime, so it nearly gets 24-hour usage in the summertime. So being able to save money on those months, especially when you get that kind of higher tier with Edison where you're paying a higher amount because you're using more. I mean, it incrementally started to get more and more expensive every year. So being able to control that cost really saved us a lot of money. Actually, it was just somebody coming to the door, and after hearing him out and giving it a little time of thought, it all made sense for us. We went ahead and did it. Everything went pretty quickly. It definitely makes me feel good. I'm a big surfer, very much involved in surfing, and most of us surfers see on a daily basis. We're on the ocean, we see the pollution, we see carbon footprint that we're leaving every day, and so I'm a little more cognizant of it, I guess. So it makes me feel better that I'm actually doing something to help reduce, just on a world basis, the amount